myself. I'm very excited. Got an email from museums in Germany interested in showing prosthetic memory next year. So I'm hoping that we can meet and talk to them and pitch an iteration to show the first piece and then build a new piece, a new iteration of that piece, and I'm sort of I'm so excited and I can't focus on nothing. Okay, I made strappies. I sewed them so they will not fray. We can replace all the rubber bands. We can get this one on the roll, get those ones on the roll, get this one on the roll, strappy them to a beautiful, consistent log of togetherness so that they can be done and fucking not in the way all the time. When is this one from? June. Oh, these are all out of order. There's nothing like weeks of smoke where you can't go outside for more than a few minutes because your brains will fall out of your body and you will get a migraine. The air quality is worse than 60. I cannot be outside. I'll definitely get a migraine. It has been worse than that for weeks. It's like pandemic took the world. It took away travel and it just made everyone's world really small. And in a lot of ways, I like that small world. In a lot of ways, my personal world was already very small. I didn't commute. I already worked at home. Now with the smoke, there has been a severe, shrinking even inside of the already shrunken life world, whatever bubble. The pandemic shrink feels like kind of a rebalancing because a lot of the travel and activity in the world is overtaxing the planet, and we need to really shrink that. And it's interesting to have prosthetic memory suddenly becoming this people are really interested in it because, as Steve said, the project is very Soloist because the videos are on the line, and while there is a physical book, it's a copy. You just print it out, and the machine learning stuff, while it's many gigs of stuff, you can just send it online. You just put in Google Drive and send somebody a link, and they can download it. So it has that sort of Soloist transfer to anywhere in the world that has a basic setup of if you have a computer, a projector, a webcam, a printer, and internet access, which to be fair is not everywhere in the world, but it is most museums and things like that, big art institutions. I can just email it to you. I can email you the whole project. So in that way, the world has become like slightly bigger because I can sort of package this whole thing up and send it to you, and you can unpackage it and, you know, use humans at your location to like unfurl it into the world. Meanwhile, on like my side of that interaction, we've just like really, really tightened down. And in many ways, there are benefits to that tightening. The pandemic tightening, not the fire tightening. That is like really hard to deal with. And I would prefer to be able to go outside and breathe air, which I cannot currently do. But, like, you know, Steve and I are slowly building garden stuff to like ramp up our effective use of our tiny world areas. Oh, you can hear him coming down the stairs. There he is. This laundry human. Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
I'm picking up more laundry, but by the way, this laundry's been here like a week, so hold it. Hang would be great.
Okay.